Planning is so important. Without a plan, or at least an outline to keep you on task, you can end up creating a really big mess, resulting in, well, absolutely zero progress. You know what it is you want to do, kind of have an idea of your desired outcome, and you're ready to get started, but you have no plan, and instead you just end up wasting time and eventually lose motivation. It's an exhilarating feeling when we get a good idea, but then it can become very frustrating when trying to bring that idea into fruition. It's not that you don't have enough time or that it's too complicated, you just don't have a plan that you are following. Working without a plan can have catastrophic consequences. When we start something without having an idea of what the end result needs to be, it is difficult to make any meaningful progress. Without an understanding of our goals and objectives and how they fit into a timeline, we run the risk of jumping from task to task without any real purpose. This often leads us to becoming overwhelmed with too much work and not enough direction, resulting in wasted time and effort. It's easy to think that sitting down and getting to work is the right approach, but not planning can have detrimental effects on our productivity. When we don't plan what needs to be done first, we often find ourselves wasting time trying to figure out where to start or losing focus within tasks, resulting in a longer time spent working overall. This can lead to decreased motivation and confidence as we struggle to accomplish our mission and goals. Planning has been found to be one of the most effective tools for achieving success. Studies have shown that those who plan and strategize ahead of time are more likely to achieve their goals than those who don't. Furthermore, research has also proven that planning can help improve clarity, problem-solving skills, and productivity. For these reasons, intelligent planning should play an essential role in striving towards your goals. You may have heard the phrase, fail to plan to fail. Planning can make or break your day, and it is important to take the time to do it correctly. Here are 10 steps you can incorporate into your planning process that, when applied, will help make sure you have a productive day. 1. Before you start your day, it is important to have clear and achievable goals in mind. Take the time to outline what you want to accomplish, so that you can ensure that your day is devoted to completing those tasks. This will help keep you focused, organized, and on track throughout the day. 2. It is important to prioritize your tasks and assign them a logical order. Initially, you should identify what needs to be accomplished first, second, and third, in order to ensure that the most pressing tasks are done first. Additionally, it also helps to keep track of what has been completed so that you have a better understanding of your progress and can efficiently manage each task. 3. Create a schedule for the day before beginning any tasks or assignments. This ensures that nothing gets left out or rushed through, as it allows you to plan and allocate enough time for all tasks, projects, and assignments. Scheduling can help you stay organized and productive throughout the day. 4. Rolling with unforeseen changes to your schedule is key for success. By being flexible and adapting when possible, you can quickly alter the course of the day and make any necessary adjustments that may come up. This allows you to stay on top of the game and remain productive even in times of uncertainty. 5. Schedule breaks from work. This is important because it helps keep energy levels up and will make you more productive throughout the entire workday once you have a break scheduled. 6. Have a clear list of the tasks that need to be accomplished during each break in order to stay productive and on track. This can include activities such as reviewing notes, taking more detailed notes, catching up on emails, or even just giving yourself a few minutes of relaxation. Having a plan for what needs to be done during each break will keep you focused and help you manage your time efficiently. 7. You should have a detailed list of any extra supplies that you may need during your workday so that you are always prepared and never have to worry about not having the right tools. Make sure to keep these items on hand in order to keep your workflow running smoothly and efficiently without having any unnecessary delays. 8. Keeping track of your working hours is essential for maintaining a healthy work-life balance, and it is vital to know when to stop and call it a day. Knowing when to take a break and disconnect from work can help you stay productive, energized, and focused on the tasks at hand. 9. Set realistic deadlines. More times than not, it is better to keep deadlines realistic so that they do not cause unnecessary stress. 10. Make sure you take the time to plan something fun and exciting to do after your workday is over. Whether it's going out with friends, taking a class, quality time with family, or simply enjoying some alone time, Having something interesting planned will help you unwind and relax after a long day.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found these steps helpful and that you'll apply them to your life and be that much further in the process of designing a life you love. Comment below and share your thoughts, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification for new videos. And remember, with discipline and consistency, you'll get there.